Dahlia Anti-Aging Facial Oil to remove age lines, age spots and wrinkles. Are there fine lines, wrinkles and age spots on your skin? Are you worried because of your sagging skin? How to maintain a youthful look? Here is the answer to all of your questions. In today's video, I am going to share with you the recipe for Dahlia Anti-Aging Facial Oil to get back your youthful look naturally. Dahlia Anti-Aging Facial Oil. Ingredients: coconut oil, wheat germ oil, glycerin, honey for oily skin. Vitamin E essential oil, grapefruit or orange. Procedure: take a small bowl and in it add 3 teaspoons of coconut oil. In it, add 2 teaspoons of wheat germ oil. Next, add 1/2 teaspoons of glycerin. After this, add the contents of 1 vitamin E capsule. Now, add 2 drops of grapefruit essential oil. Mix the ingredients well, and pour the oil into a clean bottle. How to use: tacky a few drops of this anti-aging oil, and pour them on your skin with a dropper. Massage for 2 to 3 minutes in a circular motion. Do clean your face with warm water before the application of this oil. Use it twice daily, once after taking a bath, and then at night before your bedtime. Benefits you will get: grapefruit essential oil is the best oil to stop aging process. It helps in delaying the process of aging. Vitamin E helps in the removal of fine lines and age spots. Glycerin is a natural humectant. It helps in retaining moisture into your skin. Also, it reduces age lines and wrinkles on your face, and gives you a youthful look. Wheat germ oil is a powerful anti-aging oil. It revitalizes and repairs your skin. It has vitamins A, D, E, proteins, minerals and antioxidants that work against the process of aging. Honey is an excellent moisturizer. It keeps your skin nourished and moisturized. Coconut oil is rich in vitamin A, E and proteins. It boosts the production of collagen and increases the formation of new cells. It also helps in the prevention of wrinkles and repairs damaged skin. This Dahlia Anti-Aging Facial Skin is effective for all skin types, and it slows down the process of aging. Use it regularly, and it will remove wrinkles, fine lines and age spots from your skin, and you will get back your youthful look. If you like the video, give it a thumb up, and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.